Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Black Joker, and on this video we'll be going through the SKYPLAY gaming event. Okay, and this is all about this, and I've already written about this on my Twitter a few days ago, but in this video I'm going to give you guys a clear test run of how to play this game and how to earn from this game. Okay, so you are going to be rewarded in SKP, which is already trading in coin market cap as we speak. So that being said, you should follow them on Twitter at their platform. Okay, link in the description below, and you can read all about this. So we'll get right to it. So first of all, you are going to sign a Gleam, and this is the Gleam right here. You can see the airdrop event of what 100,000. Okay, you actually play a game and you earn real money. Okay guys, so this is actually a cool game, and I've been playing this game for a few days now, and I actually say I like the game. Okay, so right here you're going to be signing order to earn. Okay, so I'm going to be using my email address to sign in for this. Okay, so that being said guys, this is it. You're going to have to fill in a few of these. Make sure you fill in and then input your wallet address and all those stuff. So once you're cleared on this, once you're done with this, you're going to be going to their platform, which the link is also on the description below. Okay guys, so when you get to the platform guys, make sure you sign in. Okay, let me log out and then I'll log in, because the first season is already gone and we are around the second season, and this is almost complete. So I'm going to have to sign in with my Google email that I used for the Gleam. Okay, make sure it's the same Google email so that you're not weeded out as a bot. Okay, so once that is done, sign in with the same Google account that you did the first one. Here in the Gleam, you're going to be asked of a SKYPLAY platform user customer ID. So you're actually going to get this from this site. Okay, and I'm going to show you where to locate this. I'm having a bit. Okay, so this is your customer ID right here. Okay guys, on your profile, on your wallet, that is. Okay, on your wallet, and you can see the event right here. You can see the events. You can go through this on your own leisure time. You can go through their home and see the former winners of the season 1, and I actually wish you guys will actually play this game because it's so cool and so entertaining. Okay, so this is the customer ID right here. You just have to copy it and then go back to the Gleam and paste. Okay guys, so that being said, the next step is to download this game from the Play Store. Okay, at the moment of making this video, this game is not available for iPhone users but Android users only. So if you download this game right here, I've already downloaded this game. So if you download this game right here, just click on play, and I'm going to be doing a bit of playing of the game with you guys. Okay, so this is the game guys. As you can see, this is the game. So you have to still sign in with your Gmail account. That's if you use the Gmail account, and I advise you to use a Gmail account. So once you get into the game, you're going to be seeing what the game is all about. Okay, so this is connecting. So this is connecting guys, and let me get back to you once it's done. So this is the game guys, this is the game, and in this game you're having a coin right here. You're having the CGP right here. So the CGP is actually the coin that you earn, which will be converted to SKP that you in terms withdraw and sell on a platform. Okay, I'll actually break this down. So here is the mailbox that you get every morning when you log in or when you play the game for the first time, and these are all the missions right here, and these are the logins. Okay, as you can see, we are on the 7th day of the calendar. Okay, you play till the end of the day, which is supposed to be 28th of September. Okay, so this is the guide to the game. You can actually go through this on your own. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you guys is this down here. This is the shop where you buy. If you have an amount, you can just use your credit card to deposit to buy diamonds or anything you want to trade in the game. So this next up is the avatars of the game, and this also will be minted as an NFT in the platform once you unlock this using your coin. Okay, so the next is the profile. Okay, you can see my profile right here, and you can also read about this. Then you can read about this also. So now let's get to the game. So we have the adventure mode and we have the match mode. Okay, but first of all, let's play the adventure mode. Okay, let's play the adventure mode. I'm going to read you guys through the adventure mode, and probably I don't get down on this. Okay, so let's go. I click on start. So like I said, guys, this is actually a cool game, and as you can see, this is actually very fast and has a very cool graphics. Hopefully you guys are hearing me because it has an in-game sound. Okay, so let's play. So I just ended the first adventure game. Okay, but in case you guys are not hearing me, I'm not sure, so I'm going to turn off the sound to make sure you guys, hope you guys are hearing me now. So the next step of this game after the adventure game is to play the match mode. Okay, and this is actually the match mode that matters. It's from this match mode that you earn the coin that you actually need to get this CGP. Okay, you actually earn the coin, the normal coin, from the adventure mode, then you come to the match mode and trade in the coin for a CGP. Okay, so let's play. I'm going to be paying 100 of my normal coin for this. Okay, so let me play this and show you guys how it works. Okay, so this is on. Okay, and these are all the players available, and you can see me at the top. Okay, so let's click here. Okay, this game you are supposed to be avoiding all the other teammates so you don't have to share a coin with any of them. Okay, I think I'm pretty much in trouble because I'm sharing a coin with 3 guys. Okay, so let me swipe right here. Okay, as you can see, guys, I'm on the 2nd position, so hopefully I get a pretty slick play right here. Okay, I ended up with a third position. Hopefully that does not affect my gameplay. So guys, I think this is the end of the game, and I ended up with a 20 of this. Okay, so I'm going to defend my position with a coin. So that's it for the adventure and the match mode. So guys, I'm going to be going back to this place to show you guys how to swap your CGP to your SKP. Okay, so you can see the amount of CGP that I have here is already reflecting on my dashboard. So if you click on this, guys, you can actually swap your CGP to the SKP. Okay, I am not swapping right now, but this is how it's going to be done. And at the end of this, if you had an avatar minted or bought, you will see it right here. So guys, do your best to follow them on their Twitter, and please join this adventure and join this game. This is actually a very cool game, and I would love to see all of you guys right there. And please do your best to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. And if you have any question about this, please write on the comment section, because I do try my best to reply as fast as I can. So thank you for staying with me to the end of this video, and see you guys next time, next video. Goodbye.